And we begin in Spain, where the coronavirus death toll has overtaken that of China. It's now risen to 3,434, this after 738 people died in the last 24 hours. The spiralling numbers of deaths come as Spain enters its 11th day of an unprecedented lockdown, as the government attempts to rein in the epidemic that has now infected close to 48,000 people. Sarah Morris, our correspondent in Madrid, has more.
The number of people affected with coronavirus is now almost 48,000, and the number of deaths has risen by 700 people in the last 24 hours. That means that 3,434 Spaniards have died from the coronavirus. That is more than China, that has recorded 3,300 deaths. That has come as fairly shocking news for the Spaniards, and many of them attribute it to cuts in the health service and the years of austerity. The Spaniards are pretty proud of their hospitals, but they're very aware that the doctors and nurses are complaining that protective masks and equipment are not getting through. They've been listening to an interview by Ursula von der Leyen with the Spanish state television, and she has actually promised that there will be more masks and equipment sent in the next 2 weeks. But of course, that is worrying news for the Spaniards as these figures continue to climb. And today the MPs will vote in the Parliament to actually extend that lockdown until April the 11th. Most of the political parties have backed that proposed extension by the Socialist and United left government. But there are some dissenters that feel that those measures don't go far enough.